Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to add plugins to GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you have not already. If you do not already have the application, just go to the App Store and download it. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the application, where we can get started with finding all the instruments we can play, we can get started recording ourselves, and so on. So as you can see here, we can go ahead and manage our menu to find ourselves recordings, and we can open up our recording and track. So you can open up any of the options right here. It works the same for all, it's the same menu. But for today's video, I'm going to open up the audio recorder option right here. So after opening up audio recorder, guys, now we can get started with the recording process. And you can go ahead and get started recording yourself by the big red circle at the top of the screen. So by clicking the circle, as you can see, it's going to start the recording process. And now your track is ready and you'll be able to find it right here in the upper left corner by opening up edit mode, where you can see all your tracks. As you can see, I have my audio recorder, I have the grand piano, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how to add plugins. Basically, guys, you want to click the sliders option right here. As you can see, next to the FX button, the FX button is going to open up our filters right here, where you can manage our track. We have the sliders option next to it, where as you can see, guys, we will have all the options for our tracks. So guys, let's go ahead and exit out of that and open up the normal recording menu right here. Now open up the sliders. As you can see, we'll have our plugins and equalizer. So in our plugins equalizer, we can go ahead and open it up and we can click on edit to go ahead and see all the plugins that we have. So if you have purchased any plugins for GarageBand, they're going to appear right here. As you can see, we have the noise gate, compressor, and so on, and you'll be able to add them to your track. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.